Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, keeper of my home. I hope you're not seeing me a little crooked because I actually have my camera propped up on something because I just don't want to go upstairs to get my tripod. I said before in a previous video that I have a broken ankle, so I walk as little as possible on it. But I just wanted to do a 3-minute Thursday video. Whether it's going to be a total of 3 minutes, maybe a little under, maybe a little over, we'll see. But just something quick because I feel like I have not been on here in a while, and I need to be on here to show you guys my videos, and I enjoy doing that, honestly. It's just this ankle has really kept me from doing a whole lot, and I'm sorry for that. But what I want to do is show you our bedroom. I haven't done a whole lot of decorating with it, but let me just show you what I've done. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna notice is the curtains have changed. If you've been with me for a while, I did take down our summer curtains and I put the winter ones back up. I kind of went back and forth on that, but I thought these are just more winter, and I do that in other places in the house, so I went ahead and did that here. And on our TV cabinet, you can see I just have like a little spray hanging there with some pine cones. Just something to give it a little bit of a holiday something. So there we have a red pillow in our recliner that has still yet to find a home. And then the bed. You see that we have bed curtains. That is something that we do every winter. Usually 1st of December the bed curtains go up and my Christmas sheets go on the bed. I love my Christmas sheets. My husband loves the bed curtains. I compromised. I'm not a fan of them. I put the ones in the front of the bed, at the top of the bed. I did put those up, but I didn't put the bottom ones up. I don't know. Should I put the bottom ones up? I don't know. I still might. He liked them better with the bottom ones on there as well, but I don't know. Up around the bed, I have a garland that just kind of adds a little bit of greenery. Just something nice. And I have done real before, but I found this one and I love it. It looks very real. And the real one left a lot of little pieces everywhere, little needles and things. So yeah, artificial was a whole lot better. And on our bed, I just layered it in different reds. And this little pillow is something that I made. If you follow me on Instagram, I do a lot of that stuff on there, stuff that you don't see on YouTube, I do on Instagram. So this is something that I posted on there. It's just a little stitched pillow, and the back side of it is just a striped fabric. So I love that pillow, and I love stitching, something I don't get a lot of time to do, but maybe now that I have a broken ankle, I'll be spending a lot more time doing that. So really, this is everything. This is the whole bedroom in a nutshell. I didn't do a lot, like I said. I haven't done a whole lot in the house. This room and our main room is all I have done. Thank you for joining me, and until next time.